Revolut Plus account is a premium service offered by Revolut that provides additional features and benefits to its users. To get the most out of your Revolut Plus account, follow these tips. First, understand the key features of Revolut Plus, which include purchase protection, extended warranty, and travel insurance. Purchase protection allows you to claim a refund if an item you bought does not arrive or is not as described. Extended warranty provides additional protection on top of the standard manufacturer warranty. Travel insurance covers you for medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and delays. To activate these features, go to the Revolut app, navigate to the Plus section, and follow the prompts to enable the features you want. Make sure you read and understand the terms and conditions of each feature to know what is covered and what is not. Another benefit of Revolut Plus is the ability to earn cashback on your purchases. To maximize your cashback earnings, use your Revolut card for all your daily purchases, including groceries, transportation, and dining. You can also earn cashback on your online purchases, including flights, hotels, and shopping. In addition to these benefits, Revolut Plus also provides exclusive discounts and offers on various products and services. To access these discounts, go to the Revolut app, navigate to the Offers section, and browse through the available deals. You can also receive personalized offers based on your spending habits and preferences. To get the most out of your Revolut Plus account, it is essential to monitor your account activity regularly. Go to the Revolut app, navigate to the Accounts section, and check your transaction history, account balance, and cashback earnings. You can also set up notifications to alert you to any suspicious activity or large transactions. Finally, take advantage of the customer support offered by Revolut. If you have any questions or issues with your account, you can contact the support team through the app, email, or phone. They are available 24/7 to assist you with any problems you may have. By following these tips, you can maximize the benefits of your Revolut Plus account and enjoy a seamless and rewarding banking experience. Remember to always read the terms and conditions of each feature. Monitor your account activity regularly, and take advantage of the customer support offered by Revolut.